What's up, Mass DECA? It's Forrest and we're going to give you a little tutorial of how to walk from the Renaissance Hotel to the Boston Seaport where our state conference is going to be held. So as you can see, you want to take a right from the front desk and go out these doors. Make sure you're going out these doors because this is where we're going to do our tutorial. So you walk out the doors and immediately you are welcomed with the beautiful sights of the Seaport Boston area, and you're going to want to take a right out of the hotel. So you're going to walk until you get to the first crosswalk sign. From here, you're going to be crossing left. Once you get the okay from the stoplight sign, you're going to take that left and walk straight. We have some beautiful views to the right of the seaport, and you're going to keep walking until you get to the next stoplight. Once you get the okay from the stoplight, you're going to continue straight and keep making your way to the Boston Seaport. As you continue your way down the street, just kind of get a look around at the Boston Seaport area. I mean, there's some really beautiful views here, and we are so blessed to have our state conference here this year. I mean, although it is a new area of Boston, there is truly some sights to see, and especially in the winter time in February, it's going to be even more beautiful. And as we continue our way down the street, you can get a good look at the overpass overlooking the highway of the seaport. Again, more great sights to see as you take the walk from the Renaissance to the Westin, and we are almost on our way to the next crosswalk. So from here, you're going to continue on to the crosswalk sign, and once you get to it, you press the button and just wait for the crosswalk to go. And once you get the all clear, you're going to continue on straight all the way, making sure you're steering clear of traffic. And from here, you're going to immediately take this right. Once you get the all clear, to continue on straight, and from here, you're taking a left, and now you're on the side of the street where the Boston Seaport is going to be. Now we're approaching our final crosswalk. Once you get the all good, continue on straight and you have arrived at the Boston Seaport Hotel. Once you enter the hotel, you can immediately go up the escalators to the main floor. There's going to be a ton of different things going on up here, but if you want to go straight to the conference center for competition or any other reason, go up the next flight of escalators and you are immediately met with the Boston Conference Center. We really hope this walking tour was helpful or at least entertaining, and we are so excited for you guys to come to our state conference in February. See you then.